Good morning, all. I'm Nandini, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a topic of standard error. So, first of all, we are going to define the standard error. How the standard error is a statistical measure that includes or indicates how many much the same mean is expected to vary from the true population mean. It helps determine the reliability and accuracy of survey result collecting during the design thinking process. That means standard error is equal to sigma by root n. This SE stands for standard error. Sigma stands for population standard deviation, N stands for the sample mean. These are the smaller standard error means that the sample results are more reliable. A smaller standard mean error sample results and less reliable or more variables. So next we are going to see how this standard error with the help of design thinking framework. We are selecting one empathy phase, and this main objective is to understand the customer problem through surveys and interviews. For example, survey 400 customers, ask about the delivery speed, app usability, payment experience, and customer support. It calculates the average satisfaction scores. So sample data, sample size n is equal to 400, population standard deviation is 100, and we are calculating the error calculation. So we are substituting the formula before we have seen like 10 by root 400, we'll be getting standard error as 0.5. So standard error 0.5 indicates that the sample mean is expected to differ from the sample mean is expected to differ from the true population mean by only zero point 0.5 units, which is suggested to survey the data as reliable. Next, we are going to define this phase. So the problem here is standard error is a statistical measure used to determine how accurately the population is. So it measures the variable or uncertainty between the sample mean and the actual population mean. So customers are dissatisfied due to delay of delivery and poor order tracking. This delay of delivery may be due to some issues in traffic or net issues and poor tracking. So this, since the standard error is low, Amazon or some other courts can confidently use the survey finding to define the main customer problems. So next phase is of ideate phase. In this ideate phase, we first collect a sample from different groups on the different situations. Sample mean compares with its executed values. Use a standard error to measure the reliability of the sample. Increases the sample size to reduce the error, and it is used to visualize the data with the help of chart or something else. So this ideate phase, AI being delivered predictable with the help of live tracks. Then with the help of instant customer support chatbots, it uses personal delivery notifications. The design team selects the best idea among the given and to which the customer must be satisfied to their level. So in the phase of prototype, we are doing some real-time package tracking, or we are giving some AI delivery time predictions, how automatic delivery notifications have been done. The prototype is tested with many customers. We can set the limit of 400 to 500 customers, and we are calculating it. Next one is how these prototypes have been executed with the help of the test phase. This test phase, so this test phase shows us that the mean satisfaction score before prototype, mean satisfaction score after prototype. Since this survey has a smaller standard error, the improvement in customer satisfaction is considered reliable and is less likely to due to sample errors. So company can therefore conclude that the prototype effectively improves the customer experiences. So these with the help of these, the standard error have some important points to discuss. That is how it is measures the reliability of customer survey data, helps estimate how close the sample mean is to the population mean. It supports the accurate decision making during the empathy and test stages, reduces uncertainty in analyzing the customer feedback, increases the confidence in selecting the best solution, helps validate whether the prototype improves a statistical meaningful. So some of the advantages we use here with the help of this is confidence in surveying result, easy to calculate the interrupt, helps compare the multiple prototypes, support evidence-based business decisions, reduces the impact of random sampling errors. Likewise, the standard errors is the main important statistical tool for design thinking framework because it ensures the customer feedback collected during the empathy and test stages is reliable. Smaller standard error includes the more accurate survey results, which enabling companies such as Amazon make confident data-driven decisions. Whether these designs and validation customer focused solutions are mainly used for this error reductions. So this learning standard error with the help of this DT framework is a very good idea, and we can easily get more customer reviews. Thank you so much for the video.